Today we are going to discuss an important topic, that is exchange rate. There are two types of exchange rate: fixed exchange rate and flexible exchange rate. First of all, we will discuss the fixed exchange rate. Fixed exchange rate, here all the exchange transactions take place at an exchange rate fixed by the monetary authority, that is central bank. What are its merits? It makes the price of the goods involved in the trade more predictable. It ensures regular flow of foreign capital, no fear of depreciation or appreciation of currency, so it improves confidence, no fear of wide fluctuation in exchange rate, remove the dangers of speculation. It promotes international monetary cooperation, healthy growth of foreign trade because of standard financial policies. Its demerits: complex system which requires highly skilled authorities to operate. It imposes large social costs within the country. Country which follow the system should maintain large reserves of foreign exchange to avoid devaluation. Here, countries should adopt strict and complicated exchange control measures. Balance of payment position always leads the country to change the exchange rate. Fixed exchange rate solve the deficit balance of payment problem temporarily. Objectives of full employment and economic growth are sacrificed so as to remove balance of payment disequilibrium. Now, flexible exchange rate system. Flexible exchange rate system is also referred by the name of floating or fluctuating exchange rate. Exchange rate is determined by the demand and the supply of a currency. Supply of a currency exceeds its demand, the value of that currency in the foreign exchange market will fall, and vice versa. What are its merits? It deals with the balance of payment problems automatically. Objectives of full employment and economic growth are not sacrificed so as to remove balance of payment disequilibrium. Country need not maintain large amount of foreign exchange reserve. It is not necessary to impose strict trade restrictions and exchange control. Floating system safeguard the internal economy from international disturbances. Comparative advantage of a particular commodity is identified easily. Overvaluation or undervaluation of a currency of a country is avoided. Now, the demerits: exchange rates are frequently adjusted, that is it brings uncertainty. It affects the growth of a foreign trade prominently. Speculation worsens or fluctuations in exchange rate. Flexible exchange rates bring inflation. It may not possible to determine the exchange rate appropriately. The country may not get correct idea about its market conditions. Conclusion: government mostly track fixed exchange rate which require necessary adjustment in the balance of payment by adopting policy measures. Thank you.